Dear social partner NTC Dutch School in Quito, teachers, all guests, by this opportunity I would like to introduce myself. My name is Francisco Araque Ponce. I am a Spanish language and culture student specialized in literature and would like to present to you my project proposal. I will tell you in the following minutes about the planning of my project. How important is literature in the teaching program of a school? Does literature contribute in the learning process of language and culture? Is a school well prepared by implementing literature by its language and culture teaching program? In fact, in a particular case, if a school has several levels of education from children to adults and as it functions in between cultures and nations, that school is multifaceted. Has such a school paid much attention to literature? How well is a school with these characteristics implemented with literature books? What about its library and its teaching program? Learning a language shows up in most cases accompanied by also learning a language. I suggest that the introduction of different genres of literature in the learning process of a language can contribute to encountering the underlying culture. I expect to carry out my project at NTC, the Dutch school in Quito, where in a symbiosis of cultures, both Spanish, Ecuadorian, and Dutch are shown together, where there is room to approach language and culture for small children, youth, and adults. Within my own academic area of expertise, my special attention will be dedicated to literature by promoting literature books, articles, and writers. This could be done through meetings, lectures, forums, media, library implementation, and perhaps through the learning program as well, expecting to involve the collaboration of parents of the students. Culture in general is central. That is the symbiosis of the community at NTC, where the levels of integration, acceptance, education, and all the other aspects that are important to my project are present. During my knowledge of society training, I got acquainted with the most common academic research methods, of which I chose community-based research, or CBR. It is a research method in which the community is involved in the project in a participative way, where the goal is to bring improvement within the community and solve social problems where possible. This fits perfectly with my project. By answering my research questions, I will identify shortcomings and propose improvements. The value of the research will be useful for partners in the community. With my project, I want to accomplish this and also to address new aspects that must be considered. In addition, I believe that active community participation is the best way to achieve win-win results. Thank you for your attention.